Hello everyone, before we move over to today's video, I already have a video on how to make Quaker Oats porridge. So if you're interested, check the description box for the link to the video. Thank you. So these are the ingredients I used in making the Quaker Oats pancake. So I have my 1.5 cup of Quaker Oats. What I'm going to do is to go ahead and blend it. Make sure you blend it very well till it gives you a powder form. So after blending it, this is what we have, as you can see it. So I'll go ahead and turn it into a plate. So this is how it is. So I went ahead to crack 1 egg and then added 1/4 cup of sugar, a pinch of salt, 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon of butterscotch, and then mix them. Make sure you mix them very well. So after that, I went ahead and add the blended Quaker Oats. Then you still go ahead and combine it. Make sure you mix them properly. Make sure there is no lump, so mix them properly. So after mixing it properly, you should have something like this, and then the consistency should be like this. So the next thing to do is to coat your frying pan with oil using a baking sheet or a brush. Then scoop a little bit and pour it inside the pan. You can see the way I'm doing it. So the next thing is allow it to cook on a very low heat. If not, it's going to burn. Cover it and cook on a very low heat. When it's ready, you flip it to the other side and then also allow the other side to cook. So that's just basically, it's as simple as ABCD.